If you turn your head at the edge of a black hole, you'll see 100 versions of yourself. This isn't magic, it's the photon sphere. 15 seconds later, even light will no longer escape your eyes. Today, we're talking about a brutal topic. What would actually happen if you were thrown into a black hole? This isn't science fiction. Everything here is based on hardcore physics. Before we throw you in, let's quickly review what a black hole really is. Even Einstein himself once said that a black hole was where God divided by zero. He didn't believe such things could truly exist in our universe, and yet humanity found them. When extremely massive and dense stars reach the end of their lives, they undergo a catastrophic collapse, leaving nothing behind. What they create is called a singularity, a mysterious point in space-time said to have infinite density and therefore infinite gravity. General relativity gave us a revolutionary idea. Gravity is not a force acting on objects, but the curvature of space-time caused by mass. This explains why Earth orbits the Sun. But inside a black hole, there is no solid black surface. The singularity is simply so dense that space-time is twisted into a deep vertical well. In 1939, Einstein even published a paper arguing that stars collapsing into singularities was impossible. But in the same year, Oppenheimer and Hartland Snyder published a paper predicting that stars could collapse into black holes. So, what happens if you fall into one? The strangest thing about black holes is that anything can become one. Stars, planets, even humans, if compressed within their Schwarzschild radius. Carl Schwarzschild was the first to find an exact solution to Einstein's equations. Simple. Beautiful. If the sun were compressed into a sphere just 3 kilometers wide, it would become a black hole. Earth would shrink to about 9 millimeters, the size of a marble. A human would need to be compressed to far smaller than a proton. So which black hole should we choose? Let's pick Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. We park our spacecraft 1 trillion meters from the event horizon. You fall freely toward the black hole. I stay behind to observe. General relativity tells us time near a black hole flows differently. Just like in Interstellar, we give you a special watch, showing time from both perspectives. As your journey begins, you see glowing matter spiraling inward, heated to extreme temperatures. In reality, it would shine blue or white. You check your watch. Only 30 minutes have passed for you. You've traveled just 0.1% of the distance. For me, only 11 seconds have passed. As you get closer, space-time distortion creates bizarre visual effects. Light from behind you bends into your eyes. From your perspective, 12 hours have passed. For me, nearly 15.5 hours. Things are about to get strange. Before reaching the point of no return, you arrive at the photon sphere, one of the strangest places in the universe. Here, gravity allows photons to orbit the black hole. Frozen in time, you would see multiple images of the back of your own head. You're literally watching yourself. You pass the photon sphere. The black hole fills your vision. Darkness surrounds you. You are 6 minutes from the event horizon. Your final 18 minutes last 18 hours for me. 6 minutes remain. Your watch shows that I've watched you fall for infinity. The watch isn't broken. Physics is just that strange. I will never see you cross the event horizon. Your final 6 minutes last forever for me. It sounds like science fiction, but it comes straight from Einstein's equations. Now you are inside the event horizon. Strangely, you feel nothing. You can still see the universe outside, but you've passed the point of no return. At the singularity, physics breaks down. Time ends. Escape would require moving faster than light. Impossible. As you approach the singularity, Your feet stretch first. Your body is pulled apart, spaghettified. You merge with the black hole, drifting through the universe until eternity. It's terrifying to imagine, yet impossible not to wonder. Black holes, feared, loved, and endlessly mysterious. Thank you watching Entropy Files. Like, comment.